You gon' bust for the team or what? Let my ass bitch on scene for what? You gon' drop it to your knees or what? Make it clap, make it look.
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Danyelanyssa. I would love for you to subscribe, like this video, and join the Boo family. So for today's video is a quick, easy, soft brown eye look. So I'm gonna do my face and everything, and I'll be coming back with just doing my eyes so y'all can see what the main video is about. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I am back, so I'm doing my nose right now with my e.l.f. and I use this shade and it works out good. Gives me a nice contour for my nose. I'm gonna do a little bit under my lips to give it definition. I have a big lip when I actually don't. I'm gonna use my Milani Luminoso. I barely have anything, it's like pan, but I'm gonna try to scrape some out. And this is such a pretty color. I like to blend in with my bronzer so it look more natural. So for the eyes, we're going to do very natural brown look. The Modern Renaissance, the best all-time favorite eyeshadow palette of mine. So we're going to just go with the fluffy brush. And I'm going to zoom that in. There you go. I go with this shade. The shade, put that all over the crease. And then you want to get raw sienna for this shade right here. And lightly look straight. And you'll get a contour in your eye. Go back with the first shade and blend in the top. Okay, you see soft brown, and then we're gonna go in with the dark shade. This brown one right here. So, one tap. It looks like that, and then you're gonna get your brush and just blend it. It's like a cool tone, and then you want to go in with burnt orange to make it a little more orangey. Spice it up. A bit more like in the inner crease, and it makes a whole difference. And then we're gonna go in and pack some white in right here, and we're gonna put that all over. Like if you're having a cut crease, so you just want to make a little cut crease, like in your inner crease. Back with your brush and blend it on top. So we're gonna have a little bit of whiteness so we can enhance some color. For the best part, we're gonna go in with some brown liner. This is a Wet n Wild one, just like the black, but it's in brown. So we're gonna do our liner. in our lash line. So with the dark brown. Finish look. Mascara. Okay. This really helps your lashes pretty. This is probably the best mascara I ever tried. No cap. We're gonna go in some lashes. These are Dollar Tree ones. Super cute. For highlight, we're gonna go with the Milani Sun Glow. Hey. We're gonna do it on our nose. And our cheeks. Above the eyebrows, so it can give a nice glow. So we're gonna put on some lashes now since my mascara dried. So, put some lashes. While my lashes dry, I'm gonna change into my shirt and I'll be right back. Lashes are on, and this is the final look. I'm gonna put some good lippies. I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop BFF3. It's a pretty brown. That's a pretty brown. This is so pretty. I actually like this. So I'm gonna go in Dainty Days by NYX as I go to a nude look lipstick. And I love this combo. It is so cute. Oh, what the heck? It has some dust on my eye. What the heck? And kind of outline it again. I'm in a rush. My parents are rushing me, so I outline it like that. This is the finished look. Very simple brown look with a brown lip. I hope you guys enjoyed. My parents are rushing me, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. Don't forget to watch any of my recent videos. I hope you guys like this simple look. It's pretty. I'm really digging the combo actually. Yes, period. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.